Today we are going to take a basic fall candle from Walmart and we're going to jazz it up with Mod Podge napkins and basic terracotta pots. Let me show you what you need to get started. Your favorite Mod Podge formula, I'm going to use gloss. Waverly Inspiration chalk paint, again your favorite color, but I'm going to use plaster. Aleene's Original Tacky Glue. An assortment of terracotta pots and saucers, a pair of scissors, your Waverly Inspiration base coat brush, and a Mod Podge brush. And then your favorite fall napkins. Basic paper napkins with your favorite fall pattern, some floral stems from the floral department. And the last thing you're gonna need is an assortment of your favorite fall scented candles. That will complete our project. So your first step is just to gather your variety of clay pots and saucers. And once you've laid those out, kind of determined the different sizes that you're gonna use, you're simply gonna glue everything together with your glue. Once everything is dry, using your Waverly Inspirations chalk brush and your favorite Waverly Inspiration chalk color, you're simply going to base coat your candle stands with a nice even coat. The tip to using paper napkins with Mod Podge is separating the plies. So unfold your napkin and really make sure that you have separated the first ply, and the second ply is always a little stubborn. You want to just really make sure that you've checked, because most paper napkins have 3 plies of paper. You want to remove 2 and discard those and only keep the printed part of the napkin. So once you have done that, you don't have to go in when you're using a napkin and cut out each individual design element. You can just cut small sections of your fall pattern. You don't have to worry about cutting out the individual designs. You don't have to worry about it being an exact piece, because what you're gonna do, because the napkins are so thin and so easy to apply with your Mod Podge, you can overlap those designs and get a beautiful repeat pattern. Okay, so once you have cut those out, to apply those to your painted surface, using your Mod Podge brush, you simply apply a thin coat, one section at a time, and lightly touch down. It will grab right onto the Mod Podge. And then you want to repeat that all the way around your clay pot. And whatever your background color is what will actually show through your napkin. So you can see I picked the plaster because the background of my napkin was white, but you can be really creative and you could base coat it gold or navy blue. Whatever your base coat is will come through your napkin design and give you a really elegant hand-painted look. So once you've done your candle stand, you're gonna accent your fall candle with a fall leaf. And to do that, just simply apply Mod Podge to the back of your silk leaf. Once the Mod Podge is on there, you just wanna lightly press that down, making sure all of the edges are applied. Once all of that dries, you can apply a top coat just to protect everything and keep it safe. And then you simply add your candle to your candle base for all of your fall decor. For more project ideas and inspiration, go to plaidonline.com and visit your local Walmart.